So here we are going to do Empires and Kingdoms, 6th to 10th century, 25 MCQs, okay, from the chapter. So let us start. First question is, the period from 600 CE to 1200 CE in Indian history is commonly known as Vedic period, early historic period, early medieval, Sultanate period. So the correct answer is early medieval period, okay, from 600 CE to 1200 CE. The original capital of Vardhana dynasty before shifting to Kannauj was Patliputra, Thanesar, Haryana, Ujjain, Pragya. So Thanesar was the original capital of Vardhana dynasty before shifting to Kannauj. Kadambari was composed during the reign of Samudragupta, Harsavardhana, Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya. Harsavardhana. The Chinese pilgrim who visited India during Harsa reign was Fain, Ising, Huansang, Marco Polo. So Huansang is the correct answer. Pulkesin II belonged to the Rashtrakuta dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty. So Pulkesin II belonged to Chalukya dynasty. Harsavardhana died in 606 CE, 630 CE, 647 CE, 712 CE. So 647 CE Harsavardhana died. The first king of Pala dynasty was Gopala, Dharmpala, Mahipala, Devapala. Correct answer is Gopala. Dharampala was known as a great patron of Jainism, Vaishnavism, Shaivism, Buddhism. So, Buddhism. Nagabhatta first was the ruler of the Pala dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, Chalukya dynasty. So, Nagabhatta first was the ruler of Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Krishna first is famous for building the Brihadeshwar temple, Kailash Nath temple, Shore temple, Sun temple at Konark. So he was famous for building Kailash Nath temple. What was the title held by Amogha Varsa first, Nripatungana, Ashoka, Samudragupta, Harshavardhana? So Nripatunga was the title held by Amogha Varsa first. Amogha Varsa first is often called a Jain king who was associated with Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, Jainism. So, Jainism. Lalita Aditya Muktapida belonged to which dynasty? Maurya, Gupta, Karkota, Chola. So, he belonged to Karkota. Who composed the epic poem Rajatarangini? Kalidas, Kalhana, Bhanabhatta, Albedonu. So, Kalhana composed the epic poem Rajat Rangini. Okay. Abhinav Gupta work include writing on philosophy, poetry, art and aesthetic, all of above. So, his work include philosophy also, poetry, art and aesthetic also. Okay. Rabi Kriti was the court poet of which ruler? Pulkasin first, Pulkasin second, Kirti Varman first or Kirti Varman second. So he was the court poet of Pulkasin second. But by what title was Narsimha Varman first popularly known as? Great scholar, great king, Mamala, Raja. So Mamala. This was the title Narsimha Varman first and he was popularly known as Mamala. Dandin was a famous Indian dancer, Sanskrit poet and writer, architect, astronomer. So, Dandin was famous Indian Sanskrit poet and writer. The Uttamerur inscription is primarily about village assembly and administration, trade, temple, military conquest. So, it is about village assembly and administration. What does the term Asprishya mean? Brahmin, warrior, Kshatriya, untouchable. So it means untouchable. Who was Brahmagupta? A mathematician and astronomer, a poet, a philosopher, a king. So he was a mathematician and an astronomer. What was the capital of the Aulikara dynasty? Kannauj, Kanchipuram, Dasapura, Mysore. So Kanchipuram was the capital of Aulikara dynasty. What was iconoclasm means? Destruction of religious images or icon, painting temple, worship of idol, construction of villages. So iconoclasm means destruction of religious images or icons. What was the Pragya Assembly in ancient India? A local self-governing body, a group of artisans, a group of merchants, a group of religious body. So it was a local self-governing body. What was the capital of Rashtrakuta? Kanchi, Ujjaini, Kanyabhuja, Manyaketa. So Manyaketa is the correct answer. Okay. So these are 25 MCQs from the chapter, that is Empires and Kingdoms, 6th to 10th century. So this was for this video. If you are watching until then, thank you so much for watching the video.